Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the right account and the app open. Tap your profile now. Once done, open the menu and select Insights so you can access reach, impressions, and content metrics. Make sure to pick the time range you want, 7, 30, or custom dates, because engagement rate depends on that window. I'll show you which numbers to use and why. This first step unlocks the raw data we'll calculate with, so don't skip it. Now pull a specific post's numbers. Likes, comments, saves, add those together. Next, divide that sum by your follower count and multiply by 100 to get a percentage. That's your post engagement rate. Once you have rates for several posts, average them to smooth out outliers because single posts can mislead. Make sure to compare similar content types and time windows. Otherwise, the comparison won't reflect true audience behavior and you'll draw incorrect conclusions. Finally, interpret the rates. Look for patterns by content type, posting time, and caption structure to understand what drives engagement. Once done, compare engagement percentages across 7, 30, or 90-day ranges to spot trends rather than one-off spikes. If numbers seem off or missing, first confirm you're on a business/creator account and that the app is updated, then recheck Insights. If problems persist, log out and back in or reinstall. That often fixes sync glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.